Yes, now students, our next topic is number operations. So what are the operations? We have four fundamental operations in maths. What are the four fundamental operations? One is addition, second is subtraction, third is multiplication, fourth is division. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These four fundamental operations are there. In this operation, number operations, so we are going to discuss in this chapter addition and subtraction. How to add, how to subtract 5 6 digit numbers, 5 and 6 digit numbers. Okay, first addition of 5 and 6 digit numbers. So how to add the given numbers? We start addition from ones place, from here to last place. First 8 plus 3 8, 8 plus 8 9 10 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 means, so this is ones, this is tens. 1 10 1 1, it makes 11. 1 10 1 1, 10 plus 1 11. So in this way, so this represents ones, this represents 10. So ones we have to keep in ones place. So ones we have to keep in ones place, and this tens place we have to keep in tens place, very next place, on the top of very next place, that is tens place. Now this is called regrouping. So how it is regrouping? 1 is 10 plus 1 into 10 plus 1 into 1. 1 tens are 10, 1 ones are 1, that is 11. So in this way it will get, it means 1 10 and 1 1, it makes 11. So in tens place 1, in ones place, in ones place 1 and ones tens place 1. Next we add this one. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 5 9 10 11 12 13, total 13. How this 13? So this is tens place, no? So this represents tens, this represents hundreds. So 100 and 3 tens, 3 tens 30, 100, 130, total 130. So it represents tens. This we keep in tens place, and this we have to keep in hundreds place. Hundreds place. Now add this one. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 8 7. 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Total 15. Then 15. 15 means this 100 plus 1. This represents 100. This represents 1000. In hundreds place we have to take 5. In thousands place we keep 1. Then 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 is a single digit number. No need to regroup it. No need to regroup it. Then 10,000. So 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3, 3 plus 9 anyhow same only. If order of the addends will change, then sum is constant only. So that is your wish. If you are going to add 3 plus 9 or 9 plus 3, that is your wish. So it is better you take bigger number and smaller number. Bigger number first and smaller number next. It is very easy to add. 9, 10, 11, 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12. In thousands place we are adding, 10,000 place we are adding. This represents 10,000. This represents lakhs. 2 is in 10,000 place, and this is in lakhs place. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 6 7 8. This is the addition. This is the addition. Now this one, 9 plus 2 9 10 11. 11 means this is ones place, this is tens place. In ones place 1, in tens place, top of our tens place 1. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 7 6, 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Here 13. This represents tens, this represents 100. In tens place 3, in hundreds place 1. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 4 10 11 12 13. 13. 13, this is in hundreds place, this is thousands place. Hundreds place we have to keep 3, and in thousands place we have to keep 1. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 is a single digit number, no need to regroup it. Now, 10,000 plus 9 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. This is represents 10,000s, this is lakhs. In 10,000s plus 4 will come, in lakhs plus 1 will come. 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is 10. In this way we have to add. In this way we have to add. No two questions were there, that two questions here, home assignment. Now, in this we have to find the sum of the given numbers. Here first, how many numbers are given? 1, 2, 3 numbers are given. How many numbers are given? 3 numbers are given. 3 numerals are given. In these 3 numerals, first we have to check how many digits were given in each and every one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maximum 6. So in this we have maximum 6. So means maximum 6 places we have to take. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First you take bigger number. It is very easy. It is very easy to add. 1 lakh 39,345. Okay. Now, any number you want to take, that is your wish. If you want to take this one, that is your wish. If you want to write this one, that is your wish. So this is 19,527. Don't take from here 19,527. It is wrong. So you start from thousands places. 19,000. Where is 1,000 place here? 19,000 from here. 19,527. Don't start from here lakhs place. So here very starting very beginning number is there. I want to write no. That is not correct. You start from 1,000. 10,000 place. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. You start from 10,000 place. Now here ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 10,000 is here. Start from 10,000. 1, 18,642. Now we add. This is our rough column. Now add this one. 5 plus 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 12 plus 2, 14. So this represents 1, this represents 10. Ones, tens. 4 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 9, 10. 10 plus 4, 11, 12, 13, 14. 13, 14. So we are adding tens column, no? So this represents tens, this represents 100. 4 tens, 1 hundreds. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 6, 7, 8. 4. 4 plus 5, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 means we are adding hundreds place, so it is hundreds and this is thousands. How many hundreds? 500. Then how many thousands? 1,000. Now we add 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 8, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 means how many thousands we have? 7,000. How many 10,000s? 2 10,000s. 7 thousands and 2 10,000s. 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. Is a single digit, keep as it is. And in this column only one is there, that one we keep here. Now, next. Add the given numbers. Add the given numbers. How many digits were there? First you count. 1, 2, 3. This is the third. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Maximum 6 places. 6 places means 6 digits were there. Then this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Till lakhs we have 6 digits. Now 2 lakhs 43,567. Then 3 lakhs 45,432. Next 123. 100 start from 100, not from here. 100 don't take from here. 123. This is not hundreds place. Don't start from here. Okay, it starts from hundreds place. Where is the hundreds place? Here is the hundreds place. So 123. Now you add. Now 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. 12. This shows ones, this shows tens. How many ones? 2 ones, 1 tens. Then 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 2, 11, 12. 12. 12 means 2 tens and 112. Same in this place. Tens place 2 tens and 100. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11. 11 means 100s and 1000s. 1 in hundreds place and this one in thousands place. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 1, 5. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is a single digit number, then as it is. Okay. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. No need to regroup it. Okay. Single digit number. 2 plus 3, 5. So like this we have to add and we have to do. Now students, in this addition sum, once you check, so 7 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 2, 13, 14. Here 14. 14 means this represents ones, tens. 4 ones, 1 10. 4 ones. Here 4 ones. Here 1 tens. In this way. So we have to keep in this way 4 ones and 1 tens. Now you add this column. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here 11. 11 means this represents tens, this represents 100. 1 tens and 1 hundreds. Now you add this. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 means 5 hundreds and 1000. 1000. 5 hundreds and 1 thousands. Here 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 8, 19. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 25, 26, 27. 27. 27 means 7 thousands and 2 10 thousands. 7 thousands, 2 10 thousands. 3 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 3, 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, and this one. So this is our addition. Yes, now find the sum of the largest 4-digit and largest 5-digit number. So we have to find the sum of largest 4 digits and largest 5-digit numbers we have to find. First, we take largest 5-digit number. Largest 5-digit number first. Largest 5-digit. What is largest 5-digit number? So we have to take 9 nines. Already we discussed. 5 nines we have to take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 nines. This is the largest 5-digit number. Then largest 4-digit number. Then largest 4-digit number 9,999. You start from 1000. Don't start from 10,000's place. Don't start from 10,000's place. You should start from 1000's place here. It's 9,999. So we have to find the sum of these two. Sum of these two. In addition, plus. Then this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Then 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 9 plus 9, 18. Here 18. So this is ones, this is tens. 8 ones, 1 10. Again 9 plus 9, same again. 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 means this is tens, this is hundreds. 9 tens, 1 hundreds. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 1, again 19. 19 means this is hundreds, this is thousands. 9 hundreds, 1,000. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 means 19 thousands, 1 10 thousands. 9 is in thousands place, 1 is in 10 thousands place. 9 plus 1, 10. So this is our largest 5-digit and largest 4-digit sum. 4-digit number sum. So in this way, first we have to take largest 5-digit number and largest 4-digit number. Then after that we have to find addition. We have to find sum. Now here, so missing numbers, we have to find missing number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers are missing. That 6 numbers we have to find. 6 numbers we have to find. First start from it. 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. How to take 15? 5 here and 1 here. 5 is in 1's place, 1 is in 10's place. Now 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 8, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13. 13. 13 here, 9 is there. 19. 13 and 19. From 14 to 19, how much is there? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. 6 gap is there. So it means here 6 should come. First you have to count whatever the addends were there, just you add the given addends. 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 addends. All addend sum is 13. But here the sum is 9 is there. 9 means we should understand that it is not 9, it is 19. 13 and 19. 13 means 14 to 19, how much gap is there? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 6. That 6 we have to fill here. Now we add all the addends, then we will get 19. 19 means 9 is here and 1 is here. Then 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. If we add all the addends, the sum is 6. The sum is 6. But here 0 is there. So what it means if 0 is given? That is not 0, that is 10. That is 10. We understand that that is not a 0, that is a 10. So what is here? 5 plus 1, 6. From 7 to 10, you have to count how much is there. 7, 8, 9, 10. Means 4 should come. So another addend 4. If you keep 4 here, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 means 0 here and here 1. Like this we have to think and we have to write. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 and here 9 is there. 7 and 9. So this added sum is less. This added sum, whatever is there, less than this answer. So it means, so no need to think it is 19. No need to think it was 19. So it is 9 only. It is 9 only. 4 plus 2. 6. 6 plus 1, 7. If it is less than the answer, then the sum is like that only. So no need to think 19, 29, 39, 49 like that. So as it is. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7, 8 and 9. If we take 2 here, then we will get 9. So this column is over. Now the next. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 is there, but here 13 is there. 6, it is not 3. So we think that that is the 13. That is 13. Why? Because this is greater than, if we add these two, this is greater than the sum. But sum is always greater than the addends. But here addends are more than the sum. So it means that it is not 3, it is 13. 6. 7 to 13 you have to count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 7. If you take 7 in the missing box, then we will get 13. 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 13 means 3 here and 1 here. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So in this way we have to find the missing numbers. Missing numbers. So here also, same. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 means 2 here and 1 here. Now you add all the addends. 5 plus 2, 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 is here, 5 is there. 5 is less than this 8. It means this is not 5, this is 15. We think that this is 15. So 8, 9 to 15 you have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 7. So the missing is 7. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 9, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 15, 5 here and 1 here. Now you check. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 4 plus 8, here 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 5, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 means 7 is here and 1 is here. 7 is here and 1 is here. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. Here 5 is there. It is 15. It is 15. How to make this is 15? So here 2 boxes are given. So 9 plus 1, 10. 10 here 15, no? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 means 5. More 5 we need. If you want to take 0, 5, that is your wish. If you want to take 1, 4, that is your wish. If you want to take 3, 2, your wish, that is your wish. But sum should be 5. Here I want to take 2 and 3. 2 plus 3, 5. If you want to take 3, 2, that is your wish. If you want to take 0, 5, that is your wish. If you want to take 1, 4, that is your wish. If you want to take 4, 1, that is your wish. That is your choice. But the sum should be 15. The sum should be 15. If we give 2 boxes like this, then so what is here? 15 should come. For getting 15, more 5 we need. So you think in this 2 boxes sum should be 15. In this way you have to think and you have to take your numbers. If you want to 0 here and 5 here, that is your wish. 5 here and 0 here, that is your wish. 2 here and 3 here, that is your wish. 3 here and 2 here, that is your wish. 1 here and 4 here, that is your wish. 4 here and 1 here, that is your wish. But sum should be 5. If we add the two boxes, so the two missing number, that should be 5. In this way you have to take. Okay, 15. Here. Now 5 plus 1, 6. 6 and 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, here 2 is there. Already 12 is there. So here 0 should come. Here come. Now 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5, 6, 7. This, like this we have to fill our missing boxes. Now, which number is 376 more than this? Means we have to add. When you add, so 376 to given number, then what is our required number? That number you will get. That number you will get. Then 16,472, 376. Now we add 6 plus 2, 8, 7 plus 7, 14 and 1. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 6, 1. 6,848 is 376 more than 16,472, more than 6,472. So in this way we have to do and give our answer. Now the next, the sixth question is there, same question, so you have to add, and so in the same way that numerals, so given numerals, different numerals are given, so according to that you add and you give your answer. Now fill in the missing numbers, words, and try to solve mentally. Mentally you have to solve. Don't put on paper and don't do rough column, all that. Just you think and you have to do mentally. Okay. 84,350, 84,450. Here 84,000 is there. Here 350 and here 450. Difference between 250 and 350 and 450 is 100. So it means if you add 100, then you will get 450. So in this way you have to think. Now 12,636, 12,836. Here 12,000, 12,000 same. In hundreds, 600 here 800. In between 600 and 800, 200 more. It means if we add 200 and we will get this one. So in that way we have to think and do. Here 711 and 89. 11 plus 18 is 100. So totally 800 we will get. How much? 800 we will get. 99 plus 1 is 100. 99 plus 1 is 100. Addends. If order of the addend will change, the sum is same only. So 99 plus 1, 100. 139 plus 100, 239. 139. So 139 plus 100, 139. So 100 plus 18. 100 plus 80 is there. One more addend is missing. So that addend we have to keep. Order of the addends we are changing. Here 7,265 plus 175. 7,265, one addend is missing. That addend is 175. We have to keep there. Then answer of the addition of operation is called sum. Answer of the addition, whatever the answer of the addition, say in that operation, so whatever the answer will come, what it is called? It is called sum. It is called sum. Okay.